Welcome to the DuttyBerryShow's coverage of the Burna Boy concert live in Kingston, Jamaica.
Hi, what's up? Hey.
You never know Duttyberry? Oh no, come down here, come quick.
Okay.
Come quick before you say another thing.
Hold on, hey. What's your name?
Sabrina Brown.
Oh, Sabrina and?
And I am Trudy.
Sabrina and Trudy.
Yes.
What are your thoughts of the show?
Awesome. It was awesome.
It was awesome.
However, I didn't like the fact that it is first time in Jamaica.
Hold on. Miss Kitty over here. So come in here, so. Miss Kitty.
Hello.
Miss Kitty.
Duttyberry.
How much prayer put backstage? Put on backstage.
Oh my God, I sent for the prayer warriors, the crusade.
Yes.
The crusaders. Let me tell you, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Robo Bobo Shata Rabai.
Yeah.
Is what happened. Is what happened. Mr. Engineer, Jesus. Anybody have the consecrated alcohol out there? Mr. Warren.
But you're not new to this, you're true to this, so I know you know for angle yourself by your feet.
And that is why I executed like I did. Thank you so much.
Jesus Christ, you're the people that must say flawless.
Thank you.
That's how you do it.
No, really, thank you so much. My thing is, I'm humbled and grateful, and you're only as good as your last show. So I always try to give my 200% every time. When people pay their money to come and see you, you just have to deliver.
Watch
From
Miss World.
outfit to the week to the
Watch
nails
Miss
to the
World.
ear. You understand?
Watch Miss World.
Yeah. And
Miss
a
World
$2
answer.
wig. Ask somebody.
No more if you tell before you come away.
Yes.
Like as a big event host, like can you give me some of your 3 pet peeves? Like
Bad
events.
sound. Artists who are late when it's their time to perform. Your bands are late. Your band is late.
Yeah.
And then the battalion of especially male entourage.
Oh, okay.
I don't have a problem with support.
Yeah.
But especially
When you reach the classroom size.
especially the boisterous ones,
Okay,
the
yeah.
disrespectful ones.
Oh, yeah,
that's
yeah,
the problem. You can respect your boss, but you also have to respect rules.
So you're telling me that sometimes them can end up a disrespect the MC?
Not this one.
Oh.
I don't know about anyone.
Oh, okay.
Not this one.
Okay, all
I
right.
don't play all that. Period.
right.
Who gonna check her? Nobody.
All right, before you go in now, give a piece. I know you're there learn like a Burna Boy. Last.
Jano.
Oh,
You're gonna have you're gonna have a Jamaican breakfast. Jano. last. I can't solve fish for breakfast. Jano. You see the remix? Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I'm see you come out in a Wakanda dress. Big up yourself.
Don't big up to Eta. That's not a Wakanda dress.
Oh.
It was the Queen Mother.
Oh.
Queen of Africa. The African giant met the Jamaican queen.
How many people don't know nothing about you? But you can know your job with stop pressure 200 in the air right now. Why?
Oh, you got Angela Bassett.
Angela Bassett.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
Yeah, man, I get it.
I went.
Haven't I given you
I
everything?
went ethereal. Okay. Please.
Some girl I know them more than you. Some girl I know
Break
them
it down
more
in
than.
syllables.
All right.
Know your vowels and your consonants.
Bye-bye. Oh,
Yes, the photo.
Hold on 1 minute. Hold on. You can back small like my back? Like, you can like hit my back? Alright, so now come, hold on. Alright, so I find my way backstage. Burna Boy is literally around there, so. Around there, so Jermaine, show them the camera. Show them around where Burna Boy did. They are around
Right
there, right? So I'm gonna try to find if I can even get a little picture or a little something there. But in the meantime, I'm here with like Trudy and Sabrina. So I wanna enjoy the concert.
Awesome. I love Burna.
Oh my God, I'm just a Toni-Ann Singh now, but so tell me your favorite Burna Boy song.
Shadow, last.
Okay, that is just it.
Last. The result, so
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Yeah, that's all I know.
But yeah.
I want to ask you how it was. I just want to ask you how it was. Is that okay? Oh, yeah. Okay, all right. I mean, like I have it on camera. I have it on camera. This is when you were literally trying to walk with the whole entourage or something.
I was like, because they were like, yo, move.
Yeah, it was like a wholesale beat. Why you give me like? Okay, quick. Hold on. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
We're recording.
No, you guys go.
It's recording ready. All right, so I'm here with Toni-Ann Singh. No, how was that performing on stage? Was it your first time performing the single next to me?
It was my first time. It was amazing, and I cried a little bit backstage, gone up for back, but I cried a little bit when I thought about how I said sing, and people really sang to me.
Yeah,
my words.
I saw your reaction. Like, I don't know why you were so shocked. Like, you were just like, wait, them know it already. Were you like, what was the preparation like, practicing, like leading up to like this big performance? Cause this is not regular. This was the whole stadium.
I know. Well, yeah, you practice and you try your best to prepare, but you can never really be ready until you're just on stage and you just let the vibes flow. And he's such a great mentor, so amazing. You know, I love him, so it's easy. It's like a blessing to be able to get my training wheels out with somebody like that, a legend.
What was the best advice that he gave you before you go?
Huh?
The best advice that Popcorn gave you.
The best
before.
thing that he teaches me is positive thinking, always.
All right, bye. Take care. Thank you. Oh, what is happening right now? What is happening right now? Whoa. Oh my God. There's some arguments about to unfold. All right, so I don't know what just unfolded just now. There was some disruption, some fight that was about to happen. I don't know which two camps, but that was here like had a disagreement and it's almost unfolded into a fight. I don't know, but let us get back to the scene. Let us go. I'm like a YouTuber here. I'm like a popular YouTuber in Jamaica.
Okay, so you're gonna ask me something?
Yeah, I'm just going to ask you.
Recording already?
Yeah. So
No, I mean that way.
No, it's not. It's not. There's no hard questions.
All right, okay, go.
Yeah. Ready?
yeah, sure. Go.
Yeah, hey, so you are one of the singers, background singers, backup singers / dancers for Burna Boy?
Most definitely.
Okay, so the group of y'all, is it a solid unit like with a name and everything, or is that individual people who come together to be a part of Burna Boy's set?
Well, it was a bunch of individuals who came together, definitely, but we go by the name of Burna Angels.
Oh, Burna Angels, okay.
Yeah, but we support Burna in all of his music, dance, and just kind of create a vibe of an energetic vibe. Yeah. One of community, one of, I don't know, it's just like vibes. I think at the end of the day, like I think an artist, especially someone like Burna, it's always good when you have a supportive band. Yeah. And as you could tell, there's so many different facets. You have not just the Angels, you have the talking drummers as well. Oh, yeah. You have the core band. Yeah. Then you have the brass section that's pretty, extensive. So, yeah, man.
So how do you mentally prepare yourself to like go on tour? Because Burna Boy he's a very energetic artist. So like, what is the preparation like to ensure that you have enough stamina and like, keep it going for the whole entire leg of the tour?
You just hope and pray every day, because to be honest, like it's different. I'm sure not many people have the same schedule as a lot of us. Yeah. It's a lot of traveling, a lot of shows. Sometimes we hop off a plane and we go straight to sound check. Sometimes we don't even get to see the hotel. So I mean, taking care of yourself is obviously like number one priority. But obviously, if you're not passionate about it, I don't think you will have the drive. So being passionate about it, I think to start off is definitely a call. But taking care of yourself and again having that community around you to support you as well.
Favorite Burna Boy song, if you had to pick?
Yes, I don't really. Someone asked me this before. I don't really have a favorite. Why? Because I appreciate all things.
Which would you say resonates more with you, like the message? Which song would you say like resonates more to you?
Okay, a lot. So, but for one, I would say Whiskey. Why? Because the meaning behind Whiskey is really deep, and I think again, Burna, he has a way of being very emotionally connected with his music, and storytelling is a very strong factor in his music as well. So Whiskey for me is that, because if you're unaware of the story, it sounds like a lit song, but then when you actually...
The message.
I think is even more beautiful. So definitely, yeah. We'll
Question:
see.
Are you an artist yourself?
I definitely am.
And what's your music? What's your music about? Like, tell the people.
Oh, so all about love. It's all about community, growth, inspiration, spirituality. I think for me, I have found my voice through the creative arts and through the healing
What's
arts.
your artist name?
Oh, Joanne.
Joanne.
Which is also my real name.
Oh, really? Okay. Joanne.
So
spell.
D-U.
Oh, wow. I would have gotten it wrong.
Yes.
Whoa, wow.
So D-U hyphen capital W-A-Y-N-E.
All right, so I'm going to ask you this question. So you knew you're coming to Jamaica, right?
Right.
Were you like apprehensive in terms of the styling like wearing today?
One more time?
Like, were you apprehensive about just like styling? Like for today?
Styling?
Yeah, because...
As in dress?
Yeah, coming to Jamaica, yeah.
Well, I really didn't give a fuck, to be honest.
That's the energy. That's the energy.
I feel like, to be honest, something about being in Jamaica makes me feel liberated.
Yeah.
I resonate a lot with the energy here. So for me, I wasn't going to bring any less than myself.
Of yourself,
So I think, and anywhere I go, So, and there's a very interesting thing, even though people might say the culture here in Jamaica might be a bit boxing sometimes.
Quite conservative.
I still think there's a lot of things about it that is not conservative. There's a lot of things that's very open or open-ended, which provides...
That you've seen while being here?
Yeah, and also just being aware of the culture myself. So, I mean, you gotta do the thing if you're in Jamaica. Like, don't be upset. It's all your fault. It's all of your fault. It's all you. But yeah.
All right, so last thing now. What are some Jamaican words or phrases that you know? You must know something.
I must know something.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Don't tell me a curse word. Don't tell me say it's
Bumbleclaw. Yeah, but Bumbleclaw is very stereotypical.
Okay. What else? Okay. What else?
I don't even know, man. You know what? You tell me something.
Okay, so this is a new one. So you have something called Kachi Atalai.
Kachi Atalai.
All right. So to say say Wapm.
So Wapm.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
All right, that's it. And before you leave, I forgot to say my catchphrase for my YouTube channel, which is box cover. Now, box cover, it's like an exclamation, like, you know, like you're shocked, something surprising happened, you just say box cover. But for me, you have to do a little bit of a choreography. You have to say, take your hand like this and box cover, like you're literally about to slap somebody. Like, so ready?
Box cover.
That's it. One more time.
Box cover.
All right, that's it. Pick up yourself, no more boss. All right. Yes. All right, yeah, man, bless.